My secret ingredient is gut. There's a lot of connection between your gut, the cells that are in your gut and that are in your brain, and they speak to each other. And oftentimes in business, we go first with the brain because we think that's what people are thinking, but it's not true. Your gut is 99% right because one, it uses your past experience. So everything that you've gathered up until this point, your gut has picked up the cues. It essentially is your brain on steroids. And I think I said this the other day to a mentee of mine. I said to her, that small voice that tells you not to do something is your biggest friend. Because it's often that small voice, when you do the opposite of that, that's where you should be going. So make friends with that small voice. Make friends with that monster. In fact, brand him and give him a look and feel. And take him wherever you go. Like today here, he's sitting here with me, right? And he was like, no, don't go. Oh, you're going to be terrible. And I'm like, you know what? It's fine. I'm going to do it anyway. So I think your gut and making friends with that discomfort, because it often is your signpost to go for it.